Are you for the as modern kitchens evolve, so does the demand for highly functional, stylish, and reliable kitchen sink faucets. Whether you're a home chef, a busy parent, or simply love a sleek, organized cooking space, the right faucet can make a big difference. This guide evaluates the best kitchen sink faucets based on sprayer function, build quality, ease of installation, design, and overall value, helping you find the perfect fit for your kitchen upgrade. List 9. Delta Lenta Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer. Modern single-hole kitchen sink faucet. Delta brings sleek minimalism and reliable performance with the Lenta model. Featuring a brushed nickel finish, this faucet resists fingerprints and water spots, maintaining a clean look with minimal maintenance. The pull-down sprayer has a magnetite docking system, ensuring secure retraction every time. It also features shield spray technology for a powerful, targeted stream that reduces mess. Installation is straightforward with the optional deck plate for 1 or 3 hole sinks. While slightly higher in price, the long-term durability and style justify the investment. Ideal for those who value both performance and modern aesthetics. List 9. KRAUS Aledo Single-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet in Spot-Free Stainless Steel, KPF 2820 SFS. The KRAUS Aledo strikes an impressive balance between contemporary design and everyday functionality. Its spot-free stainless steel finish resists watermarks and fingerprints, making it ideal for busy households. The pull-down sprayer offers 2 spray modes, stream and spray, making food prep and cleaning a breeze. The single-handle control ensures easy water temperature and flow adjustment, while the 360-degree swivel spout adds flexibility. Installation is DIY-friendly with included hardware. This faucet stands out for its modern profile and efficient performance at a mid-range price point. List 9. KRAUS Bolden Commercial Style 2-Function Single-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet in Stainless Steel, KPF 1610 SS, built for heavy-duty performance. The KRAUS Bolden is a commercial-style faucet ideal for high-traffic kitchens. Its industrial spring design combines a bold aesthetic with functional versatility. The dual-function sprayer switches easily between stream and spray, and the extended hose length allows for total sink coverage. Its compact 18-inch height fits under most cabinets, and installation is straightforward. If you're looking for a restaurant-grade faucet that can handle daily demands while elevating kitchen design, the Bolden is a top contender. List 9. wewe Single-Handle High-Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Single-level stainless steel kitchen sink faucets. Budget-conscious buyers will appreciate the wewe High-Arc Faucet, which combines affordability with elegant simplicity. Its brushed nickel finish resists tarnishing and corrosion, while the pull-out sprayer offers 3 modes: stream, spray, and pause. The single handle controls both temperature and water flow, simplifying use. Its tulip design adds a touch of elegance to modern or traditional kitchens. Though more lightweight than premium models, it's an excellent choice for apartment kitchens or light daily use. List 5. FORIOUS Kitchen Faucets with Pull-Down Sprayer, Brushed Nickel, High-Arc Single-Handle, Classic Stainless Steel Sink Faucet, 1 or 3 hole. The FORIOUS kitchen faucet is a versatile and stylish solution that fits both 1 and 3 hole sink configurations. Its brushed nickel finish pairs well with most kitchen designs while resisting fingerprints and smudges. The 360-degree swivel spout and pull-down sprayer support flexible cleaning, and the high arc ensures ample space for washing large pots. What stands out is the combination of solid brass construction and ceramic valve, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's a reliable faucet for families looking for quality without overspending.